Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create an animated GIF button so as people know when to click your video when it's on your website. Okay, but before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Now in this part of the video, we're going to be looking at what I mean by putting an overlay in. You know those sales pages that you see where you've got a video playing in the background and then it's got an image over the top of it saying click here? Well, this is precisely what we're talking about right here. So let me show you what it looks like when it's actually going. So we'll go over here, we'll hit slideshow, we'll go from beginning, and this is precisely what I'm referring to. Now, how do we create that? It's really simple. So let's go over here. Let's go over here to the blank slide. So we'll go there. And let's remove these placeholders. So to do that, we go over here to the left-hand pane, right click, hit layout, then go down here to blank, and there we have it. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is we are going to want to turn this into what we just had. So to do that, we first of all need to go over here to the shape section, go grab this oval shape, holding down the shift key, we can now keep the aspect ratio of the circle. And we release the shift key, and that's how you do it. Now, what we're going to do is go here, and we're going to take away no fill. Then when we go to the shapes outline section, we're going to go down here, and we are going to make the weight of this 6. But we'll also change the color to orange. So the next thing we need to do is insert a play button. So we need to go over here to insert, go over here to the icon section, click on that. Now, if you don't have Microsoft Office 365, you may not have the icons. If you don't, you'll be able to get that online for free fairly easily. So let's go over here and press play. And there we are, I'll just click on that one, that's what I want. Place that there. In just a moment that will open up, get rid of that. Now let's expand that up just a little bit. That will do. And let's place that in around about the center to look like a play button. There we are. Now what we need to do is change the color of that. So let's click on that and we'll go over here to graphic fill. We'll change the color to orange. Perfect. Now the next thing we need to do is highlight over the top of both of those by left clicking and dragging, and we have that right there. Now first thing we need to do over here is go to the animation pane. We'll go to the drop down menu and we'll go to pulse. Now we also need to open up an animation pane as well by clicking just there, and that will open this area up here. And as you see over here, you've got both of these are grouped together. We need to go over here to the drop down menu and click on that. And the first thing we need to do is click with previous. So we click on that, and then we go down here to effects options, click on that, and we go over here to timing. We go here to 1 second, and then we go here where it says repeat. We go down and we say until next click, and then we say OK. Now the next thing we'll need to do is go back over here to the insert section, go grab another icon, and in this particular case we're going to be grabbing the arrow. And we want to grab this particular arrow right here, go there. Now we want to expand that out just a little tiny bit, probably drag it to about roughly there. We want to change the color by clicking on here, going to orange. The reason I'm choosing orange is because on my black background you'll notice it stands out quite a lot. Now another thing we need to do is go over here to animation, Going back down here, we're going to go down to more. We're going to go down to more motion paths just here. Now, as you see where it says line curves just here, we're going to scroll down into that section where the line curves are, and we're going to hit right, and then we hit OK. Now, as you can see, that's going inside there a little bit. So what we need to do is hover over that little red dot, drag it back, try and keep it in as line as we can, the best we can, and there we have it right there. Just on the outer edge, have that square on the outer edge of the circle. There we have it. Now, the next thing we need to do is go over here to the Home tab, go over here to the Shape section, and we'll go here where it says Text Box. We're going to grab that text box, and we're going to grab this and drag it down here. I want to take this, take it up to 36, and we're going to say click here to play the video. Now, I want to highlight over the top of all these letters, go here, and say impact. That'll do. We're going to centralize that. We're going to make sure this is all in the center and everything is all lined up. That is beautiful. And we can make that a little higher if we want to. There we are. Now, that will do very nicely. Just there. Another thing we need to do is now animate these words just here. So we go to animation pane, we go down to here, and we hit pulse. Now with this particular one, the arrow, I forgot to tell you about the arrow. What we also need to do with the arrow, we need to make sure it starts with previous, and then we need to go over here to the effect options, and we need to make sure it says auto reverse, and in the timing section we need to make sure this is 1 second, and in the repeat section we go down here, say until next click. We go here. Now with this, the animation of the letters, as you see, it's now highlighted. What we do is click there, we go with previous, we now go down to the effect option, and then we go over here to timing, we go back up here to 1 second, and we go down here to where it says until next click, and then we hit OK. So what does this actually look like when we get it started? Now before we go any further, I'm going to turn these letters into an orange color. Bang, it's now orange, and we should be right to go. Go over here to the slideshow section from beginning, and there we have it. That now lets you know what we want to do. Now next thing we need to do is to turn this into an animated GIF. This is a really simple thing to do with PowerPoint. All you need to do is go over here to the File section, go down here to Export, and as you go down, it's the third one down, you'll see where it says Create an Animated GIF. All you have to do is click on that one. There's one slide. We want to have this go for, say, 5 seconds. We might want to increase the time. We might want to make that size, I should say. We might want to make that large, 720p at 24 frames a second, or actually I might make this high definition, high quality, and we hit that one there, and we'll go create GIF. And I want to save this into this particular folder, and I want to turn this one into HD GIF. And that is perfect. We'll just hit save, and we will be right back. Okay, so this is what the high definition GIF looks like. So all we need to do is get rid of that. Okay, we'll get rid of that. So let's go over to our Camtasia, which is where we're going to be doing all of our editing. Now I'm in Camtasia. What I'm going to plan on doing is import that GIF. So to do that, I go here to File, I go here to Import, and I go here to Media. And then I'm going to go here to High Definition GIF. I'm going to grab that. And there we have it. Next thing I'm going to grab is that intro that was right beside it. I'm now going to grab that. and I am going to go to import, go to media, and I'm going to grab that intro. And together I'll put the intro down there first, and then I'm going to grab this one and put this precisely over the top, right there. Now as you can see, it is masking me sit right there. So what we need to do in this particular case is to take this to the end. I'll expand that up a bit. There we are. I'll literally click on this one right here, and then I'll cut it right there, and I'll remove that part behind it. It's okay because we still have the full image and full video there. So let's take this back to the beginning. Alright, so now that we have that, let's now remove the background color on this. To do that, all we need to do is to go over here to Visual Effects, click on that. Where it says remove a color, we're going to go down and we're going to put that directly over the top of the GIF image. Putting that there. Now over here to the right hand side, you'll notice it says remove color, and it, by default, is automatically going to be green. So we'll just click on that, and we take that and we move it all the way up to the left hand corner where it's white. And as you can see, we now have the animated GIF ready to go as we play the button. And of course we can remove the sound if we want to. By doing that, we just click up here to where the little speaker is. We drag that down, and then we have it. We've now removed all sound right there. Now, all we need to do is go share. And we can also from here turn this into another GIF image. So we can now go share, go here to local file, go over here, and we can say customize production setting. We go next. Now over here you'll see where it says, it starts off in here, but we need to go over here to where it says GIF, and we go next. And all you really need to do is just constantly hit next until you get to where you want it to go. So we want to put this in the original folder it came in, so let's go there. How to overlay an image in a video. Overlay an image on a video. Overlay GIF image over a video. One of these two. This one over here. That one just there. Oh no. That one. Okay, so we'll call this one Finish GIF. And all we have to do is hit save. And we can go finish. Now once this is finished, we'll be right back and we'll pause the video until then, and we'll continue on to the next section, which will be the website. One more thing. I do know that that GIF is going to be way too big for what we need to do. So I need to compress it. Now what I plan on doing is going here to choose the file. So I'm just going to go choose the file. Now what I plan on doing here is to also save this as an MP4. Go in here. Let's now go over here to save this as an MP4, high definition. We'll go save, we'll go next. We'll go back into this particular one. We'll go video, or better still, overlay video. We hit finished. It will save it over there, and in just a moment this will finish, and then we can upload it into here. And the reason we want to do that is it will compress it down, turn it into a GIF, and this will allow us to then upload it into the website. There we are. Alright, let me show you what that's like. drag that over here, open that up, and there we have it. Alright, so that's the video. So all we now need to do is we'll go finish, we'll go over here to this side here, we'll choose that video, and then once we've done that, we will then proceed to continue with what we're doing. Alright, we'll just go to this particular one here, get that one, wait for this to log in, and you'll see that it's not going to take long, but I'll pause the video until then. Alright, now that it's finished, all we have to do is we'll keep the aspect ratio. We go here to color, yes, and we just hit start. We can sharpen it if we wish to. Actually, I might just do that. Hopefully it'll record it in time. And we'll just let it do its thing, and we'll wait for it to finish. But I'll pause the video so you're not having to sit here and wait. This could take a while. Alright, it has finished already. Okay, that was quite a surprise. That didn't take long at all. And I might just call this one GIF. And it is finished. And that's the one we want. So overlay video GIF, or overlay GIF, finished. Done. Hit save. Now it is finished. Now let's head on over to the website. Now, assuming that you already have Elementor put into your WordPress website, you can also use Optimize Press 3 if you wish to. It'll work just as well on that. Now, I'm going to be looking at starting a page with Elementor. So let's just open up Pages. We're going to go Add New. And then let's go Edit with Elementor. Click on that. And it's 1102. It's okay, we can change the name a little bit later on. Now, the first thing we might want to do is look at putting a video in here. So I'm going to just grab the hold of this on the left hand side and drag that over here to the right hand side and wait for that to wake up and do its thing. And as you can see, it has placed a dummy video for you right there. Now, all we need to do is go down here to where it says Image Overlay. We can click on that, get rid of Hide, and we now go looking for the image that we want to pick up. So we can click on that, and go over here. Now let's go select the file that we want to find. So Overlay Video, let's go there. We have, that's the one we want, overlay GIF finished. So let's click on that, and this will take a little while, so we'll just come back when it's all finished. Alright, so all we need to do now is click Insert Media, click that there, and there we have it. It's now sitting over the top. All we need to do now is hit Publish, have a look at what it looks like, and there we have it. Now if you want to be able to play this video, all we have to do is click on that, and immediately the video begins to start playing and you're ready to go. Okay guys, that's all there is to this video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.